articles partitifs.
Partitive articles in French are used to express an unspecified quantity of something, usually food, drink, or other uncountable nouns. They correspond to the English words some, little, or any. Different forms of partitive articles are: in French, partitive articles based on gender and number.
Du.
Used before masculine nouns that are singular and in a non-specific quantity. Example:
Je veux du pain. De la.
Used before feminine nouns that are singular and in a non-specific quantity. Example:
Elle a de la confiture. De L'.
Used before singular nouns beginning with a vowel or a mute h, regardless of gender. Example:
Nous avons de l'eau. Des.
Used before plural nouns, meaning some, or any. Example:
Il mange des pommes.
Use of partitive articles. Use partitive articles to talk about a portion of a whole item or some of an uncountable noun. Partitive articles are commonly used with food, drinks, and other substances that can't be counted. They are often used with verbs like
manger, boire, prendre. Negation.
In negative sentences, partitive articles usually change to
de
or
des.
Je ne veux pas du pain.
Is incorrect. Say,
Je ne veux pas de pain.
Some of the examples in negation.
Je mange du fromage.
For nectation.
Je ne mange pas de fromage. Elle boit de la bière.
For nectation.
Elle ne boit pas de bière.
Some important notes. Difference between non-countable and countable nouns. Partitive articles are typically used with non-countable nouns, like water, sugar, or cheese. For countable nouns, like apples, use de or the definite article if specifying. Definite articles. Sometimes, when the speaker is referring to a specific quantity or the whole category, definite articles
Le, la, elle, les
are used instead. For example,
Je préfère le pain.
expressions of quantity. When using expressions of quantity like
Beaucoup, peu, trop.
the partitive article is omitted. For example,
J'ai beaucoup de livres.
points to remember. Remember gender and number when choosing the appropriate partitive article. Always use
De.
in negative sentences, regardless of noun gender or number. Use partitive articles mainly with non-count nouns and unspecified quantities. Be aware of when to use definite articles versus partitive articles based on context. Common mistakes to avoid. Using
De.
without a partitive article where it's required. It is wrong to say
Je veux de l'eau.
by omitting the partitive article. Correct form is
Je veux de l'eau.
forgetting to change to
De.
in negative sentences, regardless of noun gender or it is wrong to say.
Je ne veux pas du pain.
Correct form is
Je ne veux pas de pain.